Understanding hypothyroidism when your body slows down. It's more than just your thyroid, it's your subconscious survival program. Do you feel exhausted no matter how much you rest? Is weight gain frustrating you despite a healthy diet? Do you often feel cold, sluggish, or mentally foggy? These could be signs of an underactive thyroid, and they may have deeper subconscious roots than you think. Hypothyroidism develops gradually. If left unaddressed, it can lead to severe complications like heart disease, infertility, and neurological impairments. Your mind and nervous system play a key role. Your thyroid doesn't just respond to your diet or medication, it's closely linked to your autonomic nervous system and subconscious mind. Chronic stress, emotional suppression, and inherited survival programs can keep your nervous system in a prolonged state of alert, impacting thyroid function. At the Wellbeing Sanctuary, we take a unique approach by addressing not just the physical symptoms, but also the subconscious root causes of hypothyroidism through DecodeYou. DecodeYou reprograms the subconscious for thyroid healing by identifying hidden emotional blocks. Many people with hypothyroidism subconsciously suppress emotions, fear expressing themselves, or feel unheard. DecodeYou uncovers these imprints to release subconscious tension. Rewiring the nervous system for balance. The autonomic nervous system plays a direct role in hormone regulation. DecodeYou neutralizes subconscious threat signals, allowing the thyroid to function optimally. Healing ancestral and generational patterns. Some thyroid imbalances stem from inherited survival adaptations. DecodeYou works to break these subconscious imprints and restore balance. Activating the body's natural healing mechanisms. When the subconscious is reprogrammed, the body moves out of chronic stress mode, allowing the thyroid to regain its natural function. Book your DecodeYou session today and start your journey to true healing.